up, divas and divos? It's your girl April. So today's video is of course going to be a hair tutorial. So before we even get into that, I want you guys to know that I have worked 3 times previous with this company. They do have some great hair. It's affordable hair. I'm not going to say it's going to last for eternity, especially because it's just hair, but they do have some really nice affordable hair. So because this is the month of March, they are celebrating their anniversary promotion, so they are having like a really great sale, and I will link all of the information below for you guys. So this is called DSOAR Hair, and this time around they did send me their natural wave. I did get 3 bundles. It's super long, 2 22s, a 20 and a 20-inch closure. So normally I do like 4 bundles, but 3 bundles was just enough, and it's very wavy. It's like wavy. It could use a little bit more waves to it, but you know, that's why I got my curling barrel, because we're gonna hook it up as best as possible. It is a closure. I went ahead and I did bleach the knots in the unit, and I did forget to sew in the combs, but it is what it is. We're going to just get past all of that. But I did bleach the closure. But I'm still going to use some of my pressed powder for this video. So we're going to jump right into this real quick, so that way we can just get into the tutorial. Alright guys, so we're going to make this really quick. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just take my pressed powder with a really dense makeup brush, and I'm going to spread that over the closure on the inside. I'm going to also spray some hairspray just so that powder can set, and then I'm going to go back over it once again with some more powder. And I did spray it again as well. So now it's time to style it. Unfortunately, I forgot the combs in this unit, and it does look a little bit darker at the part area, and that's because of my cap underneath. Plus my cap does have a little bit makeup on it. So this wave unit is more or less like a natural wave. It isn't really wavy as I would like it to be wavy. So I'm just going to do something really quick. If you don't have a lot of time on hand, but you want some beach waves or some loose curls, you can definitely take a wand curler. I would suggest getting a smaller barrel. Nothing too big. The barrel shouldn't be more than 1 inch. It definitely shouldn't even be 1 inch. This is the one that's thicker at the top and slender at the bottom. And what I do to achieve these curls, these loose curls, are these kind of like waves, like, or more or less these are like curls. I just, as soon as I wrap the entire hair on the barrel, I take it right off. So I just wrap it all the way on, and I just take it right off, as you guys see. You don't want the curl too tight because it will make the hair shorter. Plus it'll just give it a different type of style, and it'll also lay differently. So if you don't want them too tight, I would suggest just pulling it right off as soon as you finish wrapping it around the barrel, depending on how long the hair is. If the hair is shorter, you may not want to do that. You may want to count like probably like 3 seconds or 2 seconds, but because the hair is lengthy, by the time I've wrapped the entire hair on the entire barrel, it has curled. Also, I do have my barrel curl or up to 450 degrees, which is the highest temperature that it can go. I love this curling barrel because it is by Irresistible Me, and I have been using this for a couple of years now. It does come with 8 interchangeable wands, so that is the reason why you see me use it a lot. So as for the hair texture, it's soft, it's very low luster, so it's not so shiny, which I'm glad about, because I can't not stand when certain hair is just like too shiny. If it's got like this really high sheen to it, it just tends to not hold a great curl, and it's flatter. It's not as thick and full. So I do like low luster hair a lot better, because you just are able to get like a more or less like more body from it. It curls easy. Their hair is really affordable. This is the 4th video that I've done for them. They have a 2-year anniversary promotion sale going on, which is great. And also you do get a $5 discount if you are a new customer. So I would definitely make sure to register on the website, so that way you can get $5 off. Who does not like a discount? But yeah, so this natural wave is really cute. It's long. It's 3 bundles. Normally I'll do 4 for like a long texture like this, especially because I just like a lot of hair. But the 3 bundles was actually just enough. Okay, and like when I say just enough, there was probably like 1 inch left of weaving hair. So now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to take some of my front hair perimeters out, because like I said, it is a closure, and I'm just going to situate it. I really do wish that I had some combs in it, but it is what it is. I'm not going to be using my Gorilla Snot gel in this video, only because I'm trying to let my edges grow back. So I'm using this gel called Touchdown. It's more or less really greasy, I would describe it as like that jam gel. That's what I would more or less describe it as. It may not work for everyone, but it does hold my edges down to a certain extent, which is great, so it's not so hard. And the stuff that you did see me spraying into my hair is called Boldify, which helps me have edges, you know, gives me a little bit of edges. So yes, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so let's stay tuned for the finished look. Alright guys, so that was like my quick, easy curl for waves. If you want to get your waves back, you just have to as soon as you put it all on the barrel, just take it right off. It's that simple. You don't have to leave it on the barrel. Just quickly take it right off and the waves will come popping like this. I turned mine up to 450 degrees because I love my curling iron to be like super hot, but for the most part I love the low luster in this hair because it just looks more natural. I don't like when it's too silky looking or too lustrous looking because it just seems to tend to not catch as much body as opposed to like a lot of units that have like more coarser textures. So it's not really silky straight like that, like so thin and fine, but it is kind of like in between. I do like this hair. It's really cute, it's long, it's sexy, it's, you know, wavy. Get your beachy waves. This is supposed to be like their natural wave, but to me this is more or less like a loose wave, a beach wave, you know, something really relaxed. This I think looks really nice with like a maxi dress, some summer heat, you know, vacation type hair, you know, like water type hair. Throw on your bathing suit and look really cute type hair. So as I said, this is the Brazilian natural wave in 22, 22, 20 and a 20-inch closure, and the bundles are rather long, so I think like 3 bundles will definitely be enough if you're getting 22 and above. If you're getting anything longer, I would definitely suggest doing like 4 bundles. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Make sure you check the links out below for their anniversary sale. And on that note, I love you guys. Stay diva and divalicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs this video up, share with all your social media friends and family. And on that note, I'll see you guys soon.